See, the first thing first, Ishant Sharma, I don't think so he needs anybody to handle him. He has played 100 test matches. In fact, he is one Sharma who is good enough to help other Sharma. मेरी जरूरत भी नहीं है with that much experience. So, but like, yes, when it comes to coaching, you have to do little man management, especially when somebody like Ishant Sharma you're talking about. You know, he has lots of experience here. You're not talking about under 19 cricket. Ashok Sharma is raw, yes, but that's a different challenge. You know, young players coming through, but we know what kind of a talent he has been. And he's raw, but whatever I have seen him in last few weeks, he's got big heart. So आपको वो भी दिखेगा कि soon he's stable enough that he doesn't need anyone.
Gil, one question to you. You being a captain of Test team, you being a captain of ODI, but unfortunately you were not included in T20 World Cup. So do you think that this IPL season is an ideal opportunity to prove yourself that you are worth for T20 as well?
Not at all, sir. I think if you look at the past 3 or 4 seasons, I think I have the most runs in the IPL. So I don't think I don't have anything to prove in this season particularly. And the 4 years that I've played for this team, I think we have done decently well as a team. And I think I've done decently well as a batsman. So I don't think I need to prove to anyone my worth. I think I need to do what I've been doing for the past 4 years. And as a team, we need to be consistent, which I think we have been. If we continue doing that, sooner or later, I think we will win that trophy once more.
And last year, top 3 batsmen for GT performed.
Sir, humble request. One question at a time so we can give everybody opportunity. We'll give you a second time. Next.
One question over here. You might have seen the World Cup, you know, the ultra-aggressive approach adopted in the power play. And we have seen Titans' approach, you know, of taking the game deep, you know, by keeping wickets in hand. So you think this is contrary to the approach that, or will we see a different approach this season from Titans?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Sir, at the end of the day, आपको दूसरी टीम से ज़्यादा रन बनाने हैं. चाहे आप 4 रन ज़्यादा बना रहे हो जीतने के लिए, चाहे 150-200 रन ज़्यादा बना रहे हो. At the cricket, वही at the end of the day, you are playing this game to win a match, and how you win a match, it doesn't matter. So there might be a case, you know, where we have to chase down to 40 to 50 runs to win a match, yes. Or there might be a case where we might have to defend only 160 runs. So ऐसे कोई ultra aggressive, we are not, I think, one of those teams जो एक match की glory we are chasing कि हमको इस season 300 या 350 बनाना. We want to be the team that consistently scores big runs, consistently scores 200, whatever the 200, 220, 180, whatever the seemable target is on that wicket. And we want to win matches in different conditions. We don't want to be a team की जहाँ पे कि पता है कि अगर अच्छा विकेट मिलेगा तो तभी हमारे बैट्समैन रन बनाएंगे या तभी हमारे बॉलर अच्छा करेंगे.